What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I got a little unboxing and review. Thank you, Shine Armor, for sending me your product to review. And here's the box right here they sent me. So they sent me their graphene ceramic spray. All right, guys, so this is their ceramic spray. I'm gonna read it out, the labels. So this Shine Armor graphene ceramic spray is highly concentrated. It's a ceramic coating that is ready to go out of the box. It is perfect on its own or as an added layer of protection for your current ceramic coating. This graphene ceramic spray has extremely powerful hydrophobic properties that deeply enhance your shine with an easy spray and white process that you've come to expect from Shine Armor. Features: helps defend water spottings, works to protect against bugs, saps, droppings, and less prone to scratches during the washing process. More depth and clarity on your surfaces. So if you really want that depth and clarity on your vehicle, boom. It came with 2 towels. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply that, and we're gonna go through the car wash and wash the truck off, and then apply the product that they sent me. So, all right, guys. So we got the truck washed. All right, guys. So here's the ceramic spray. I put the nozzle on top. It comes with 2 microfiber towels, one for applying the product and one for buffing it out. Just gonna spray it, give it a apply the product on your paint. All right, guys, so after applying the product, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then start buffing out the streaks. Like, as you can see here, it has a couple streaks that need to get buffed out. Like right here, you see some streaks there. So you're gonna let that dry off for about a couple minutes, come back and then buff it with a dry towel. All right, so the front of the hood already basically dried out. So I'm gonna buff it with the dry towel. All right, guys, so we already applied the Shine Armor. We're gonna let it cure for 4 hours. You can tell the paint is real slick and smooth. The bottle's just sliding right off. Look at that. But anyways, we'll get right back to you guys. Let it cure 4 hours. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the truck has been cured for about 4 hours now. I'm gonna do the water test. As you can tell, the water is beating off the paint. All right, guys, so I definitely recommend this product. It was very easy to use and apply onto the vehicle. We had a lot of things going today, and we were able to knock it out in such a short amount of time. As you can see in that last clip, the water is beating right off the paint, giving the paint protection. If you guys like this product, Shine Armor does have a bunch of other products, interior products, tire shine. They got a bunch of stuff on their website, so go check them out. Hit the link in the description. Shout out to Shine Armor, man, for sending me the product to review. Really appreciate you guys reaching out to me and recognizing my YouTube channel.